don't get it. We literally killed ourselves to get back here, and you couldn't go through with it.
What you said before about destiny, you were right. No, he and Josie, they look happy together. Maybe there isn't only one way everything has to happen. We don't exist for just one path.
And we don't exist for just one boy.
Let's dance.
Anything to keep me from picturing Josie's tragic visit to the Shire.
Hey, if you tell this to anyone, I will deny it. But I'm glad to have you back.